excited?
I'm super excited.
We've been hard at it today. We got here last night. We came early. The fly-in is tomorrow. So we're pretty stoked about that. It's super sunny. It's a little bit windy today, but tomorrow's supposed to be really good. So yeah, we're just gonna do some chores. We put up a windsock, as you saw. Got some firewood because we're moving the fire to the lake. Last year we had it up top here, but actually moments after our last video was filmed when my dad flew over, he wiped it on the ice at the airport and broke himself pretty bad. So he's not going to be able to fly in, which is terrible because it's his vision, it's his event. He's gonna get a day pass from the hospital, so he'll be able to come, but he will not be able to come up the 24 stairs to the cabin. So we're gonna just move it to the lake. We're gonna improvise, it'll be great. So yeah, here we are, getting ready for the main event of the year. So many thanks to everybody for following along and just being interested, because it's pretty cool to share with you guys. So get ready to see some airplanes. Thanks for coming. Good morning. It's the calm before the storm. The wind is pretty decent and the weather looks awesome. So hopefully we get a few planes today. We just packed down all of the supplies. There's quite a bit of stuff. Yeah, so we're hoping for an awesome day out here on the lake. What's the temperature?
Probably like 12.
Oh, minus 12. That's actually pretty good. You don't want it to be too warm. Okay.
You got another garbage can?
Yeah, I do.
Where do you want it?
Over there by that one. Or right there. Yep. We were just sitting around the fire this morning and waiting for the first aircraft to show up, and the news crew pulls in with their cameras. So that was kind of crazy. I'll introduce you to my best friend. Hold on. This is Natalia.
Hi guys, so nice to meet you.
She's fantastic. #1 pilot today, which was super cool.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Supporting girls in aviation.
You bet.
Absolutely. Brought a chopper and a fixed wing.
Yep, we're happy to be here. You did a great job of this event.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you came. How many planes do you think there is?
I'm guessing about 20 now.
That's what I was thinking too. Yeah. So it's only going to keep getting better. So thanks for coming, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Good. been counting. I actually have no idea how many airplanes are here right now. But quite a few, I think. It's midday now, so. But they just keep coming and circling around, which is pretty exciting. Everybody's so stoked just to have a hot dog on the fire and hang out with like-minded people. Yeah, pretty great. Our kid came out and all our friends. This is pretty awesome for sure. There's even a helicopter, I'll show you guys. Helicopters and fixed wings don't always hang out together, but it makes me happy when they do because it's all for the joy of aviation, you know? Yeah, we're happy to have you. Thanks for coming. Did you guys have a good day? Fantastic. That's awesome. Thank you for coming. Great. We're wrapping up. The last planes are leaving now. I didn't get an official count, which is disappointing, but I think it was just over 30. I'll have to check the guest book and hope everybody signed. But what a fantastic day. So I thought I'd just come out and get a shot of the last 3 planes leaving because I was so busy today. I didn't get a lot of good video. Let's have at her. Here they come. Morning. It is Sunday and it's supposed to be day 2 of the fly-in, but visibility is super poor and it's just not really worth the risk. So I think we're gonna pack it up, go home. It's actually our teenager's birthday today. I could use a shower as usual. And we're all pretty exhausted from the amazing day we had yesterday. So thanks again for coming and thanks for your support. We love you guys and we'll catch you on the next video.